Simcenter 3D Smart Virtual Sensing enables you to determine the optimal sensor placement for most efficient load and field estimation. Simcenter 3D Smart Virtual Sensing combines physical measurements and a reduced-order finite element model to perform field and load estimation. Performing load estimation requires several measurements. To ensure the best estimation results, placement of the required number of sensors at locations that are most sensitive to the applied loads is essential. The optimal sensor placement solution helps you to calculate a candidate set of sensor locations to ensure a high-quality test. You can define the target area to place sensors and choose from multiple sensor types according to your test plan. To help you make better decisions, the relationship between the number of sensors and load estimation uncertainty are visualized. The optimal sensor placement solution first performs a coarse screening of the initial pool of sensors, based on the minimum sensor proximity and the sensitivity to the estimated load location. Next, it continues to remove sensors which contributes less, to decrease the uncertainty of estimation, until it reaches the number specified by the user in the solution parameters or the absolute minimum required. This solution guarantees observability and strives to maximize the useful information that you can extract from the measurements. The suggested number of sensors are exported as an Excel file, including the location and direction of the sensors. You can also use the optimal sensor placement to evaluate an existing sensor layout and determine if it can meet your requirements. You can start by first importing the existing layout. Then, based on the number of sensors and load estimation uncertainty curve, you can verify if the existing sensors can be used for the estimation framework. The adaptive workflow enables you to easily integrate the smart virtual sensor into existing test plan. To conclude, Simcenter 3D Smart Virtual Sensing provides a robust framework to combine test and simulation. It first helps to determine the layout of sensors and then estimate operational loads and field status based on the measurement, and guarantees the maximum estimation accuracy.